Ever wonder why some people seem to know everything while you forget what you watched yesterday? Most people think school makes you smart. The truth? School teaches memorization. Real intelligence comes from teaching yourself. In this video, I'm sharing 9 actionable steps to master self-education like the geniuses, including one hidden trick at the end that changes everything for you. 1. Hunt with a target. Stop consuming randomly. Start consuming with a target. Most people open a video with zero destination. They absorb noise, not knowledge. Before you read or watch anything, write down one question you need answered. Then hunt only for that answer. This is step 1 of the Autodidact Protocol, turning random input into real output. 2. Teach it back. If you can't explain it simply, you don't know it yet. Psychologists call this the protégé effect. Preparing to teach forces deeper learning. I used to binge tutorials for hours and retain nothing, until I started this. Record yourself explaining the idea in 60 seconds. No notes. If you stumble, you found your gap. 3. Build your own syllabus. Design your own syllabus. Nobody hands autodidacts a curriculum. You build it. Pick one skill. List 5 subtopics that support it. Learn them in order, not at random. Random learning builds a pile of facts. A syllabus builds a structure. Structures hold weight. Piles collapse. 4. Review before you forget. Review before you forget, not after. This is the forgetting curve, first mapped by Ebbinghaus over a century ago. Without review, most new knowledge vanishes within days. Use spaced repetition. Revisit what you learned after 1 day, 3 days, then a week. Repetition at the right moment turns information into permanent memory. But here's the villain trying to stop you. 5. Leash your curiosity. Chase curiosity, but put a leash on it. Rabbit holes feel productive. They're often just distraction wearing a smart costume. Set a 20-minute timer for tangents. When it rings, return to your original question. Curiosity is fuel. Unchecked, it's a detour that never ends. 6. Use it within 24 hours. Use it within 24 hours, or lose it. Knowledge you don't apply evaporates fast. Most people learn, then wait, then forget. After learning a concept, build something small with it same day. A sentence, a sketch, a script. Application locks learning into long-term memory. 7. Go to the source. Don't let someone else chew your food. Summaries strip nuance and add opinion. Read the original book. Watch the full lecture, not the 10-minute recap. Primary sources cost more time up front, but save you from learning someone else's mistakes as fact. 8. Surround yourself with sharper minds. Surround yourself with people smarter than you. Isolated learning has a ceiling. Group learning has a ceiling that keeps rising. Join one community or study group this week. Share your progress every 7 days. Accountability doesn't just motivate you, it corrects you before mistakes compound. Now, the hidden trick. 9. Publish what you learn. Publish what you learn. Private study has a ceiling. Public teaching doesn't. The moment you know an audience will see it, your brain sharpens the material automatically. Post one lesson each week. A post, a video, a thread. This closes the Autodidact Protocol loop. Learn, apply, teach, repeat. Self-education isn't about consuming more. It's about building a system that turns curiosity into mastery. Nobody is coming to hand you an education. You either build it yourself or you stay exactly where you are. The main character builds their own curriculum. Everyone else waits for permission. You've got the protocol. Now go apply point 1 today. Subscribe for more videos. Your next chapter starts now.